back to my channel. So today I have a Ipsy unboxing. I just got this back after I canceled BoxyCharm because I was going through way too much with them. So okay, so anyways, we'll just get right into it. I'm just going to show you what I got, and I did use pretty much everything already. I'll tell you whether I like it or not. So let's go ahead and start off with the Pure Lease Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. Sorry about the glare. But it came in this really pretty box. And this is, it just cleanses skin, gently removes makeup, tones and smooth, sulfate free. Comes in this huge tube. So I'm going to have this for a while because I don't know what you guys do, but I just get a little pearl size and like wash my face. I used this today. No complaints. Haven't used it long enough to see any, you know, changes, but I love this brand, and I got some like primers, and I really like those because I like the consistency of them. If you know me, I like more serum-y type things rather than lotion-y type things, but so that brings us to our next thing. It is the Dr. Brandt's Luminizer Primer, Pores No More. And this is a good brand. So I've had the Pores No More mask, and it's really good. It gives a natural looking backlight glow, relieves dull complexion, helps refine the look of pores. And I used that today. I don't know. But here it is. It's a pretty big tube. It'll last quite a while. It does have a lotion-y texture, which ain't my favorite, but it's light, so I don't mind it at all. I don't like it when you put something on and it's like heavy, but this ain't bad. It's light, so you probably really can't tell because I got all my makeup on. I'll try to put the prices in, but I ain't gonna promise anything. And the next thing is Laura Geller, New York, Urban Garden Central Perk Face, Eye, and Cheek Palette. Isn't that box pretty? And it has like roses in there and a flower pattern. I used it today. I'm gonna say I don't really like it. Like the roses are almost already gone. It's really cute. I don't mind this blush. I got this on. I think this is too dark for me, but I don't know. I might get some use out of it. I do like the blush, and I could use that on my eyes, but it's not my favorite. It is cute, but if you can't use it, what's the point? You know what I'm saying? Then we have a complex couture precision concealer. I probably use this for foundation, but it just says complex couture or whatever. Yeah, not bad at all. It feels nice quality, so I'll get some use out of that. I'll put it right in with my brushes. And then I also got an Araceli. It's the tip that I like, so I will get use out of that. I haven't used it yet, but it's like the one I already use, which is the same old. The Maybelline Master Precise All Day. It's the same thing. It's the same. So I know I'll use it, but I'm just going to keep it for a backup. This is Ojos Perfectos Liquid Eyeliner in Noche. So that's that. And our last thing is the bag. We got a little summer type theme. It's a little thing with a bunch of little ladies, all different skin types and colors. It's really cute. And then it's yellow inside. So I got a bunch of these. I love the bags. I mean, I probably never use them all. I collect bags. Surprise, surprise. But I think that's everything here. And then they gave us something in here, and I'm not sure what this is. It doesn't say like the prices or anything. So hopefully I can find those and just put a little screenshot in. If I find them, I'm just going to put in the full price of what they are, and we'll go from there. But that was my Ipsy. This is the first time I've had it back in months. So I'm pretty happy with it. The only thing that I wasn't that happy with was this. because I thought it would be better, and I wanted that and I got it, but I was just like, it's not as good as what I thought. So, but yeah, that is my first Ipsy for, what is this month, July? So hopefully you like this video. This is what I got. Drop a comment down below what you got. And I think that's everything for our video today. So make sure you go down in the description bar, follow all my social medias, and thank you for stopping in.